Hello my dears, now I'd like to show you our one COB LED strip product. Yes, this one is not special, but it has its own characteristic. Yes, it can bend freely. And you can see we have 8 the mounting holes and 8 the connectors, 3 mounting holes and 1 connector. Now let me show you the color. Yes, this COB LED strip. Its other characteristic is it can lighting separately because it have 3 segments. Yes, so whatever the COB LED strip you want, whatever the segments, how many the segments you want, we can custom for you. And the longest strip we can design is 1200 millimeters. So we have our strongest knowledge to design the COB LED strip for you. Thank you. Waiting for your inquiry.